Here's a quick tutorial on how to format your data properly so you can make sure everything gets mapped correctly across the board. As you can see here, this is a pretty standard list. You've got your first name, your last name, address 1, address 2, city, state, and zip. You'll notice the entire list is formatted the same. Address 1 is a street address, first and last have been separated, address 2 is typically an apartment number or suite number, and the city, state, and zip have also been separated. Here's an example of badly formatted data, things you want to avoid in the cleanliness of your data, if you will. First, we've got the street, city, state, all in one field, plus the zip in the last field. If data is formatted this way, it's not going to fly. It really needs to be broken out to separate fields for street, city, state, and zip. Next, we've got another example here where the street address is broken out into its own field, and then in the next field, we've got the street name, and then city, state, and zip all in one field. This isn't really going to fly either. We need to go ahead and split all this out. After that, we've got one where we've just got the street address in a field by itself, and the information after that, that's not going to fly. This last example here is an example of well-formatted data. First name, last name, street address, city, state, and zip in separate fields. And then the last example shows us where we have first and last in one field. This will work just fine. All you need to do is make sure that when you're mapping your fields, you put last name to leave unmatched, and this will be just fine when you format it. So there's a real good example of the pitfalls that you can find when trying to format your data properly. Be sure to check out the support page where we've got a bunch of other videos to help increase your loan marketer experience.